Where's the camera? Hey y'all, welcome back to Heather Made Home. Today I have a different kind of video. It is almost Halloween and I'm not about that spending, you know, $50 or $70 life on a Halloween costume that you're gonna wear one time. So we are gonna go thrifting today and see if we can't find some things to make the costumes that these children want to wear. I got my kitties here. There's no school today, so we had to figure out something to do. So yeah, we're gonna go get ready for Halloween. Let's do this.
We found a strongman chest.
Weird. You could be a popcorn server. I think we should all go as the Incredibles.
No. I think I should get some blue hair.
Oh, that's cute.
How's that look with me?
Gorge. You could be money. You could be money. You could be $100.
Adonis, you actually want to be money or pizza or dartboard.
So cute.
My head's too big.
No, it's just your hair.
Yeah, well, the hair's part of my head.
How about this one? Clip on. Just like put it a little off to the side like that. So we just came out of Savers. She wants to be a fairy. So we got some wings.
Yeah. They're really big, actually.
Yeah, they're cute. They're less expensive. I mean, these are brand new. So this was in the section, like the actual Halloween section where they actually, I guess, bought new stuff and are reselling that. But these were definitely cheaper than the ones that we saw on Amazon. These were $8.99.
The ones were like $15.
Yeah, so like half the price of what we saw on Amazon. So it was worth that. We didn't find, she's looking for a dress or something to go with it, which we didn't find. And she's trying to talk me into buying her a wig, but I don't know how that's gonna go. This guy wants to be a, what are you gonna be, buddy? A zombie football player. Our plan here is that he has a jersey from last year when he played football, and we'll get that. We're gonna look and see if we can find some like football padded pants at Goodwill or Salvation Army. He saw a helmet at Goodwill a long time ago and thinks it still might be there, so we're gonna check Goodwill. Apparently we're not the only people thrift store hopping today because I tried to park in this spot that turns out it had a scooter in it and I didn't see it, but that scooter is now here at the Goodwill. Taking up all the spots.
Maybe
You could be a Lego. I like these.
if I want,
These are cool.
I do like that costume.
That's a really cool
But
costume.
I don't see any pants.
Oh, and it's only $10.
I don't see any pants.
It comes with the pants. What do you think?
In the sky, tacos. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos.
Look what we found.
Adonis.
Hi.
So the Goodwill ended up actually being really good and we all got an outfit for Halloween. As soon as we get home, we'll do a haul and show you everything that we got and what the kids' costumes looks like. And I even got an outfit for Halloween. And I'm really excited about it because I've been working on switching up my style lately, and this dress, right up my alley. It's perfect.
I'm gonna steal it though. Why not? Because it's really pretty.
Yeah, it's really cute, and it's like a total retro style, which is what the kind of look that I've been going for recently. And it was actually new with the tags on it from this vintage repro company. So I'm excited about that. We're ready to do the try on now. So my son got his zombie football costume mostly done. I'll show you what parts we got from Goodwill, what stuff we already had, and then my daughter's gonna show her fairy costume. And I'll show my dress, which I have on already. As cute as it is, it's very specific. So I might just wear it all October. I don't know. Let's see how this goes. We got this dress at Goodwill, which is super cute and it will be great for her to wear even when it's not Halloween. We got this fairy crown at Goodwill. This is part of like the Halloween section that had new stuff. I think that was $6. The dress was $7. And then these are the wings that we had picked up at Savers.
Your skill is extraordinary.
Here we have our zombie football player. We got these pants at Goodwill. They're actually baseball pants, but they work for this costume. We didn't find the helmet that he was looking for at Goodwill, but we did find these pads for him to wear underneath the jersey. These pads are actually so big that his old jersey would not fit over them. So we went back out to Goodwill and luckily we're able to find this great Seahawks jersey that fits over it perfectly. What do you think, buddy?
I like it.
My favorite find of the day was this Hell Bunny dress that came with the tags on that I was able to get for only $10. Overall, we are all really happy with the things that we got today. I am super happy that I didn't have to spend an arm and a leg on costumes. If you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? I'll catch you in the next video. In the meantime, keep it real.